Welcome back to KP's Kingdom. Let's make a barbecue sauce. Okay, 400 gram can of crushed tomatoes straight into a blitzer. Give that a blitz for about 10-20 seconds. This makes a really great little barbecue marinade slash barbecue sauce that can be used on anything. Put that into a pot. I'm using a slow cooker for this. If you've watched my Jimmy's ribs, you would have seen this before. And about 2 teaspoons of cumin, coriander, and about roughly a quarter cup of brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons worth of paprika. You can use smoked or Hungarian like I'm using here. Good teaspoon of white pepper, same again of black pepper. Just put that straight into your pot. Okay, now what we really need to do now is add in a little bit of allspice, maybe half a teaspoon's worth, and about a tablespoon's worth of ground ginger. That goes in as well. Good dosage, around about a tablespoon's worth of garlic powder, same again of onion powder. Put that straight into your pot. Around about 2 tablespoons worth of Worcester sauce or Worcestershire sauce. That goes straight into your pot as well, and give that a quick little stir. Get those flavors to know each other really well. Okay, 1 can of bourbon and cola. Use a bourbon of your choice. I prefer my Jimmy Beam. You can use whatever you like, even a Jack Daniels would work. All we simply have to do now is reduce that down. I'm actually cooking ribs in this one. If you have seen the Jimmy's ribs recipe before, once we're finished with that, put that into a pot, start getting it heated up. We're going to reduce that down. About 2 tablespoons worth of honey that goes in, and a good splash of apple cider vinegar. You just saw a quick clip there of me basting some ribs with that sauce. Works absolutely perfect. Put it on your meat pie, put it on your steak, put it on whatever. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make a nice little sauce or extra barbecue ideas, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Right, go make the sauce and I will catch you next time. Bye!